Welcome to JBI Evidence Synthesis. JBI is an international non-profit society for evidence-based healthcare. JBI Evidence Synthesis is a multidisciplinary health journal focused on synthesised evidence and methods for evidence synthesis.
When you receive an invitation to peer review for us, it will usually be for a scoping or systematic review or protocol. That's a plan for a review. If you're reviewing a protocol, you have 14 days to complete your review, and if it's a systematic or scoping review, you have 21 days.
When you receive a peer review invitation from JBI Evidence Synthesis, it will come via an email to your inbox. Your invitations will usually be in a subject or methodological area you're familiar with, but you should make sure you're comfortable in the knowledge of the subject and the methodology used in the manuscript. The invitation will include the timeframe for completing the review and the manuscript's abstract. If you're happy that you can provide feedback and complete the review, accept the invite by clicking the link.
If you're new to reviewing for us, the system will prompt you to complete some personal information before you start the review. Once you've done that, you can access the submission and begin your review. Click on the submission link to download the PDF of the manuscript. If you'd like to check the author guidelines to ensure you understand how the manuscript should be presented and what content should be included, the link is on the journal website and we'll put it in the description down below as well.
More detail on the sort of peer review JBI Evidence Synthesis is looking for is in another video on our channel, link below. But in short, please focus on the importance, originality, content and use of JBI methods in the manuscript, and let us know any major and minor issues that you see. A lot of reviewers find it helpful to collate all the comments in a Word document first, then paste them into the appropriate window in Editorial Manager when they're done. A minimum of 200 words is required.
It's really important you don't just share or screen cap any part of your review, send the manuscript to anyone else, or discuss its contents, including on social media, before it's published. If you think you recognise or know the authors, consider whether this is a conflict of interest for you and get in touch with the editorial office.
Once you're sure you've commented on all the issues you've noted in the manuscript, you can paste it into Editorial Manager and choose a recommendation. Reject, major revisions, minor revisions, or accept. The system will also ask you some standard yes or no questions about it. Once you've answered the questions, inserted your review of the manuscript and selected a recommendation, click submit and you're all done.
Once you have your ORCID or Web of Science ID in your profile, you'll get credit in the Web of Science system for reviewer recognition. If you indicated that you would be willing to review another version of the manuscript, you may receive another invitation sometime in the future to comment on the revised version. We appreciate all our peer reviewers and hope that you will help us again sometime.